Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I have missed being on here so much. We have now moved to a new workplace. It's indoors, so it's a lot easier to work in and to organize and keep things neat. We also have a little boy on the way, so that's exciting. But I am dedicated in the next 3 months to getting on here, getting more videos out for you guys to help you with your events or DIY. Today particularly we're making a double stuffed balloon garland in quite gorgeous muted tones for a ballerina party we have. So I'm going to take you through what tools you need to make a balloon garland, how to make the balloon garland, and how to also attach it to your backdrop on the day. So hopefully we'll get some footage of the party. Otherwise I'll show you how to make the garland in the workshop. So let's get started. The colors that we are using is Fashion Sand, Blush from Qualtex, Rosewood from Qualtex, and Matte Gold inside a Qualtex White. Now I might be double stuffing the rosewood in the white. I just have to see what color I like. So these are the colors that you need. They're available from Qualtex. The blush is actually either from Qualtex or Tuftex. There's 2 different shades, so but they're both really good. Just see which one you like. You'll need a pack of 260s. And this is what we use to attach the balloons together in our garland later on. You're going to need a balloon pump and obviously access to power. So 4 colors we're going with today, 260s to connect the balloon garland and a balloon machine. So it sounds simple enough. I will blow up all of these colors and let you know what combinations we've used or I end up going with, and then we'll get to making the garland. We've got a bit blown up at the moment, but I just wanted to stop throughout and show you how to double stuff a balloon and how I do it, because there's a lot of different ways. So I've got the Qualtex blush and I've got a Qualtex white. Okay, so to make this color, I'll attach it up here if I can. You just roll it up. Okay, so I usually just do it in half, roll it up, open, and then I find it inside and pull it through. Now it sounds like a slow process, but once you get the hang of it, you will get a bunch of these really quickly. So for this balloon garland, we've got Qualtex blush in Qualtex white, and then you can see the Tuftex one. See how they're different? They're both called blush, but they're different. This gives more of a egg shell color, and this is more of a muted caramel color. So I'm using both in this garland. I've double stuffed that's how I do it, and I'm using the bigger balloons, 40 centimeters. Then I've put Tuftex yellow into the white, okay? And that's pretty much so far the only double stuffed I'm doing. Other than that, I've got Fashion Sand in there, which is this one. So that's Fashion Sand. That is Qualtex blush in the white. Okay, so we're getting there. And then we'll add the Tuftex blush in the white as well, and you'll see on the garland how they do let off a different tone. And then the last color will be rosewood, Fashion Rosewood. Again, put it in half, twirl it up, Qualtex white, and put it in. And let me actually test that color. That's what that looks like, but in the image I'm wanting something a bit more pink, so I'll show you how it looks on its own. That's rosewood on its own and rosewood in white, so it really does make it a pastel color. However, I'm wanting something with a bit more color, so I'm either going to stick straight to rosewood, or I might put rose pink in white and see how that looks. I'm going to continue to double stuff and record it all for you guys, and then we'll get to making the garland. So with the balloons, I do some of them in quads. A quad is like this, which is 4, and I do some with 6. This is just for more width, and it helps me build a stronger base. So we'll start at the bottom. Of course, get the bottom of your 260 and secure it around, tie a nice knot. Find a base where it can sit nice and comfortably. Okay. So there we go. That's basically a flower. Secure that there. Okay. I like my bases quite thick, so I'm then going to let this pull very tightly back around and through. So what I'm doing is I'm pulling. I'm going around and attaching it to that bottom quad and then bringing it up. Okay, that's the bottom. I'll try and show a bit more of a better angle. We'll get another here. Okay, this one should be better. There we go, we'll do it from here. So pull up, position where you want it. Go around that, and I'm going to the bottom one now. Like that. Push down as you go, and that's the base that we've got. I want it a bit thicker. I'm going to move this there, attach it all together, and I want that to be the base of the garland, okay? Just like that. Then you can start building up some height. So the top, again, push, go around your quad and attach it to the bottom ones, and again, push down. And you can see that's secure, that's not going anywhere. They're all joined together as a thing. I'm attaching it also to the side. So that's my bottom base. Attach that around and push down. Another one. Go here. Now this is almost as big as me, so you can't obviously keep attaching like this. I lay the garland on its side, push the 260 towards me, and if there's not enough room to work with, grab another one and attach it on. And that's the fantastic thing about using 260s instead of a fishing rod, is it doesn't get caught when you're doing that constant attaching motion. It doesn't get caught, you don't sort of lose the fishing line, you don't trip on it. So I've now got it on its side, and I'm going to add the exact same colour on. Now we're going to go with Tough Tech's blush inside white, and that's really good lighting because you can see how the same color, different brand, both double stuffed in white, but a completely different shade. All right, it's all done and attached. Let's have a look at what they look like. This is no filter, no balloon shine, and double stuffed balloons look amazing. They will take your business from average in photos and setup and value to really wow. Let's go through the colors. Round blush in white, Qualtex blush in white, Tough Text blush in white, and Fashion Sand. So when we get to the event tomorrow, I'll be attaching these where I think they should go. Again with the 260s, and I will get some footage for you guys. Drop a comment below what combos you want to see. These colors are obviously very in trend, and this garland has been made to match one of our custom standees that we've made. The little girl is really into gymnastics and is a ballerina, so these colors match really perfectly with the image. Alright, so it's going to look fantastic together. I hope you guys have an amazing week, and I will be doing lots more videos. Let me know what you guys want to see.